Time is running out. Just a few days left to grab the hottest Black Friday deals on Amazon. We've curated 20 incredible pickup gadgets that make life faster, easier, and way more fun. From futuristic tools to clever everyday helpers, these steals are perfect for upgrading your daily routine. Watch till the end to snag these limited time deals before they vanish. Number 1. Kai Loophole Cargo Bar was $56, now $40, 29% off. The Kai Loophole Cargo Bar is perfect for anyone who hauls gear or tools, adjustable from 40 to 79 inches to keep items secure during bumpy rides. Its sturdy, non-slip design works on trucks, SUVs, trailers, and vans, and it's compatible with cargo nets for extra security. Easy to install and highly practical, this one-pack accessory ensures your cargo stays in place. At $40 this Black Friday, you're saving nearly 30% on a smart, must-have truck organizer. Number 2. NAO Evo LED Light Bar was $41, now $30, 27% off. Light up the night with the NAO Evo 7-inch LED light bar, delivering 240 watts and 24,000 lumens. Its combination spot and flood beam provides wide, clear visibility for off-road trips, work sites, or foggy conditions. Durable, waterproof, and easy to install with the included wiring harness, this light bar boosts both safety and style. With a Black Friday price of just $30, it's an affordable, high-value upgrade for any pickup or SUV. Number 3. True Trailer Hitch Lock was $18, now $13, 30% off. Keep your trailer safe with the True Trailer Hitch Lock, designed for quick installation and maximum theft protection. Made from weather-resistant materials, it fits most standard hitch sizes and ensures your trailer stays secure in any climate. Compact yet strong, this lock is perfect for road trips or leaving your trailer unattended. At just $13 during Black Friday, you're saving 30% on a simple but essential security tool every pickup owner should have. Number 4. Sypokix Roof Spoiler was $40, now $30, 25% off. Upgrade your truck's style and aerodynamics with the Sypokix Roof Spoiler. It's durable. ABS construction withstands harsh weather, and installation is quick and tool-free, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Not only does it enhance appearance, but it also helps manage airflow, potentially improving fuel efficiency. Compatible with multiple pickup models, this spoiler is practical and stylish. With a 25% Black Friday discount, it's an affordable way to give your truck a sleek, sporty look. Number 5. Muslogi Cargo Net was $20, now $16, 20% off. The Muslogi Cargo Net keeps your truck bed organized and items secure. Stretchable and strong, it works with groceries, sports gear, or tools, featuring elastic edges and hooks for easy installation. Durable construction ensures it won't tear or wear out, making it a long-lasting addition to your truck. At $16 this Black Friday, you're saving 20% on a practical, versatile accessory that adds both convenience and safety. Perfect for everyday hauling or weekend adventures. Number 6. OPT7 Tailgate Light Bar was $85, now $72, 15% off. Boost visibility and style with the OPT7 Tailgate Light Bar, offering bright LEDs for brake, turn, and reverse signals. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or dust, while installation is simple and integrates seamlessly with your pickup's wiring. Not just functional, it adds a sleek, modern look to your truck. At $72 this Black Friday, this light bar is a smart upgrade that combines safety, visibility, and aesthetics for any vehicle owner. Number 7. Ronin Factory Antenna was $50, now $35, 30% off. Enhance your truck's signal strength with the Ronin Factory low-profile antenna. It improves reception for radio, GPS, and cellular devices, staying durable against rust and corrosion. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it convenient for any driver. Beyond performance, it adds a clean, modern aesthetic to your pickup. At $35 with a 30% Black Friday discount, this antenna is an easy, affordable upgrade that combines style and reliable functionality for your vehicle. Number 8. Yonhan Battery Charger was $33, now $24, 27% off. Never worry about dead batteries with the Yonhan Battery Charger, which quickly charges car, truck, and motorcycle batteries while protecting against overcharge and short circuits. Compact and portable, it's perfect to keep in your garage or vehicle for emergencies. Reliable and easy to use, it ensures your ride is always ready to go, whether for daily driving or road trips. At $24 this Black Friday, you're getting a high-value, essential tool for every driver. Number 9. TireTech Cargo Net was $38, now $29, 24% off. The TireTech Cargo Net is ideal for organizing your truck bed, holding tools, camping gear, or larger items securely with elastic materials and reinforced hooks. Quick to install, it prevents cargo from shifting or spilling during transport. Durable and versatile, it's perfect for work projects, weekend trips, or daily hauling. At $29 this Black Friday, it's a practical, affordable way to keep your truck bed tidy and safe, saving time and frustration on every drive. Number 10. Orion Tailgate Assist was $20, now $18, 10% off. Make opening and closing your tailgate effortless with the Orion Tailgate Assist. Its gas-charged struts control descent, preventing slams and protecting your hands. Compatible with most pickup models, installation is quick and simple, making loading and unloading a breeze at $18 with a 10% Black Friday discount. This handy accessory improves convenience, safety, and usability, making it a must-have for anyone who regularly uses their truck bed and wants a smoother, safer tailgate experience. Number 11. Astro AI Tire Inflator was $38, now $33, 12% off. Keep your tires perfectly inflated with the Astro AI Tire Inflator. Compact and portable, it easily fits in your truck or SUV, letting you top up tires on the go. Its digital display ensures accurate readings, while the built-in LED light makes nighttime inflation simple and safe. Ideal for road trips, emergencies, or everyday maintenance, this inflator is reliable and user-friendly. At $33 this Black Friday, it's a practical and affordable tool every driver should have. Number 12. Nylite Tire Gauge was $20, now $16, 19% off. Check your tire pressure quickly with the Nylite Tire Gauge, designed for accuracy and ease of use. Its digital display makes readings simple to see, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Small and portable, it easily fits in your glove compartment or toolbox, ready whenever you need it. At just $16 with a 19% Black Friday discount, this gauge is a must-have for maintaining safety, fuel efficiency, and smooth driving on every journey. Number 13. JK Cover Storage Tray was $21, now $19, 10% off. Keep your truck interior neat with the JK Cover Storage Tray. Perfect for consoles, doors, or under seats, it provides organized space for tools, gadgets, or personal items. Its durable, non-slip design ensures items stay put even during bumpy rides. Easy to install and clean, this tray is a simple way to declutter your cabin and protect your interior. At $19 this Black Friday, you're saving 10% while adding a highly practical, everyday accessory to your truck. Number 14. Nylite Work Lights was $30, now $21, 30% off. Illuminate your workspace with Nylite Work Lights, perfect for trucks, garages, or outdoor projects. Durable, waterproof, and bright, they provide excellent visibility in any conditions. Their easy mounting system allows quick setup, whether you need focused or wide coverage. Ideal for mechanics, campers, or anyone needing reliable lighting, these work lights are a versatile addition to your toolkit. At $21 with a 30% Black Friday discount, they're a budget-friendly upgrade you don't want to miss. Number 15. Kuiper Auto Tonneau Cover was $206, now $159, 23% off. Protect your truck bed with the Kuiper Auto Tonneau Cover, designed for durability and weather resistance. It keeps cargo safe from rain, sun, or theft, while providing a sleek, low-profile look. Its easy folding design allows quick access to your bed without hassle, making it practical for everyday use. Compatible with most trucks, this cover adds both security and style. At just $159 this Black Friday, you're saving 23% on a premium high-quality truck accessory. Number 16. Power Stop Brake Pads was $101, now $68, 33% off. Upgrade your vehicle's braking performance with Power Stop Brake Pads. Designed for durability and smooth stopping power, they reduce noise and vibration while improving safety. Perfect for daily driving or heavy-duty use, these pads are engineered to handle demanding conditions. Installation is straightforward, making them a practical choice for DIY enthusiasts. At $68 with a 33% Black Friday discount, you're getting high-quality brakes at a fraction of the price, ensuring safer, more reliable driving every time. Number 17. Pimacom Backup Camera was $110, now $88, 20% off. Park and reverse with confidence using the Pimacom Backup Camera. Its high-definition display provides a clear view behind your truck, reducing blind spots and enhancing safety. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, it integrates seamlessly for smooth operation. Weatherproof and durable, it performs reliably in all conditions. At $88 this Black Friday, you're saving 20% while adding a tech-savvy, safety-focused accessory that makes driving, parking, and towing much easier. Number 18. Senyazon Cargo Net was $35, now $30, 15% off. Keep your truck bed organized with the Senyazon Cargo Net. Strong, elastic, and reinforced with hooks. It holds gear securely during transport, preventing shifting or damage. Quick to install and versatile for various cargo sizes, it's perfect for work, camping, or weekend adventures. Its durable design ensures long-term use and peace of mind. At $30 this Black Friday, you're saving 15% on an essential accessory that combines convenience, safety, and practicality for your pickup. Number 19. Astro AI Air Compressor was $100, now $80, 20% off. The Astro AI Air Compressor is a powerful, portable solution for inflating tires, sports equipment, and more. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your truck or garage, while a digital display ensures precise pressure control. Perfect for emergencies or road trips, it provides fast and reliable inflation anywhere. At $80 with a 20% Black Friday discount, this air compressor is a smart investment for any driver who wants convenience, safety, and reliability on the road. Number 20. Kaishengyuan Cargo Net was $23, now $17, 25% off. The Kaishengyuan Cargo Net keeps your truck bed secure and organized, preventing tools, groceries, or sports gear from shifting during transport. Made with strong, stretchable materials and reinforced hooks, it's easy to install and highly durable. Ideal for daily hauling or weekend adventures, it's a practical, versatile accessory for any pickup owner. At just $17 this Black Friday, you're saving 25% while adding a simple yet effective tool that keeps your cargo safe and your truck bed tidy. Thanks for watching. These Black Friday Amazon Pickup Gadget deals are perfect for upgrading your truck, boosting safety, and staying organized. Don't miss out. Grab these deals while they last and make your pickup smarter and more convenient today.